The rescue operations are currently underway after a chlorine gas leak was reported at the water purification plant belonging to the Maharashtra Jeevan Pratikaran in the Godhini area. Shweta, what exactly in terms of the rescue operation you're getting to know in terms of this incident?
As far as the rescue operation are concerned, remember around 40 patients are already there, 40 victims rather, from this pungent chlorine gas leak that had happened from the nearby water plant that is in Gondani area. But as far as the rescue is concerned, we are given to understand that police and the civic authorities are there, and they are ensuring that if somebody is still feeling with the severe headache or they are having any kind of breathing issues, they are being admitted to the nearby hospital. And as a short while back, in fact, we have seen the visuals from Sparsh Hospital. Already we are seeing dozen of people being admitted there. These victims have been complaining about the breathing issues. Remember, even at night when this entire chlorine gas leak was spread out in the vicinity, there were certain authorities, those who actually distributed the breathing apparatus sets to people, but that was of less use, in fact, of no use rather, and then they were shifted to the nearby hospital.
All right, Shweta, stay on with me. I have more updates coming in. Dr. Pragati from Sparsh Hospital has stated, and I quote, the patients arrived at 12:30 a.m. and they were experiencing breathing difficulties, anxiety, low oxygen levels and headaches, and they were also coughing. And she also added that the staff administration, nebulization and some injections to stabilize them. Let's in fact listen into the soundbite.
रात के 12:30 बजे पेशेंट मेरे पास आया. पेशेंट को ब्रीथिंग डिफ़िकल्टी, घबराहट और ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम था पेशेंट का. कोई पेशेंट को हेडेक, खांसी, ये सब चीज़ें चल रही थी. तो हम लोगों ने जस्ट नेबुलाइजेशन दिए, कुछ इंजेक्शंस वगैरह लगाए, थोड़े पेशेंट स्टेबल किए. उसमें से कुछ पेशेंट क्रिटिकल थे, उनको हायर सेंटर में रेफ़र किया. उसमें से कुछ बच्चों पेशेंट भी, छोटे बच्चे भी है. अभी तो फ़िलहाल पेशेंट को ऑक्सीजन चल रहा है, थोड़े स्टेबल है, फिर भी ऑक्सीजन चल ही रहा है उनको. अभी भी आए तब उनको वोमिटिंग, घबराहट और सांस लेने में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत थी पेशेंट को. पेशेंट मतलब एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रहे थे. खांसी बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही थी पेशेंट को. हाँ, यहाँ से रेफ़र किए गए. कोई हार्ट पेशेंट थे, कोई ओल्ड एज पेशेंट थे, को थोड़े ज़्यादा ही.
All right, Shweta, take us through the details in terms of the steps that are being taken by the hospital administration and the authorities over there.
Right. In fact, as Dr. Pragati from Sparsh Hospital, she was stating that there are a couple of senior citizens, old age patients as well, and there are victims, those who are in critical condition. They have been shifted to the higher special care units hospital, in fact, and there were common symptoms about severe headaches, vomiting, and breathing issues was the foremost one where everybody was reporting. In fact, an eyewitness also was narrating how the kind of ordeal the people in the vicinity faced in Gondani area, where they had severe problem while breathing. So currently, as we understand that these 40 victims, out of which the critical ones are being taken special care at the other higher hospitals. But here, as of now, fortunately there's no piece of news that is coming from Nagpur about somebody's somebody losing life there. But yes, tragic thing that happened around 12:30 in Nagpur, where due to very strong chlorine leakage, I beg your pardon, because of which these residents, in fact, they face severe difficulties and they are getting treated in the nearby hospital.
All right, Shweta, thank you so much for joining me on the telecast. Shifting our focus to more news coming in.